Hey love bugs, thanks for joining me for another video. This week I'm going to do a review and show you how I did this manicure using the Beetles nail tips and glue set. I'll also link this set in the description box below just in case you want to check it out. And here's just a quick little overview of all the things I used. So I just wanted to show you guys what comes in this kit. It of course comes with an application guide, nail tips that are sectioned out by size, and then it also has nail glue, as you see right here. And then truthfully, the whole reason that I got this kit was for this little UV light, because when I was applying my tips for some nails that I actually did not record and I should have, trying to do it under the big UV light was a struggle. So I saw this kit and I was like, let me grab it. So here's a breakdown of all of the supplies you'll need and just a close-up of the nail tip kit. And then these are also some of the Beetles nail polishes that I got. These are gel polishes, and I thought that these colors were so pretty on Amazon, so I went ahead and got them. And then also hollow nail powder. Now, a tip that I wanted to give you guys is to make sure that you prep your hands and your nail beds. I just use a little bit of my body scrub to kind of, smooth out my hands, and I soak my fingers for about 10 minutes. Now you'll see me just applying the nail tips, picking out which ones actually fit my fingers the best. So here you'll see me, well, kind of see me applying the nail tips using the nail glue. And I am so sorry that this is out of frame, you guys. When I recorded it, I swear it was in frame, but something with this editing, it just will not allow me to move it down to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. But I'm going to tell you. What I did was I took the nail tip that correlated with the finger that I was going to put it on. I applied a little bit of the nail glue to both my fingernail and the tip, and then I used the UV light to cure it. But I'm going to say that their nail glue did not work the best for me with this go around, and so I used my Modelone's curing gel, and that's how I attached the tips. Now that the tips are securely attached, it's time to paint them. So I went with white on my thumb, my middle finger, and my pinky, and then I left my ring finger and my pointer finger to be accent nails. And really, I was just trying to try out as many of the colors out of this kit as possible. I will say that this is not my favorite white. It appears kind of chalky like. I am not really sure the best way to describe it. But of course, you see me attempting to clean up my cuticles because you want to get it as clean as possible prior to curing, because then it will be stuck. So take your time with this process and just create and do your nails how you want. Make it fun and funky, you guys. Life is too short. Now, here is where I realized that I did not cut these nails down. So I did use my nail cutter to cut them down and file them so that the ends are not too sharp. And you'll see me here just painting the rest of my nails and curing them with the UV lamp. And of course, in true fashion, I am adding some bling bling to these nails, because who would I be if I didn't? And for this, I am actually using the nail glue that came with the kit to apply my nails, as well as my little dabber. This is where you can truly come in and be original and add as many or as few diamonds that you want, or, keep them simple and classic with just a polish. Completely customizable and totally up to you. Now, here comes the part that I was truly excited for, trying out the hollow nail powder. As you can see, you guys, it is so freaking shiny. And I completely suggest going ahead and adding your gems after. Do not add it before like I did. Once you are done adding all your embellishments, you're going to add your top coat and cure for one last time. And here are my finished nails. I think that they came out really pretty. The hollow powder definitely boosted them up. They are so shiny. And I really, really love how they came out, you guys. I'm so happy. I have to work on cleaning up my edges. But other than that, I really love how they turned out. Okay, so hey guys, it's the next day. And this happened. I don't know if there was something that I did not do when it came to the application process, but my right hand completely lost all of the nails but one. So I definitely will try using this kit again, but I'm at a loss as to why this happened. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. If anybody has any tips for me to try, please leave them in the comments down below, because I love having my nails done, and this was so embarrassing having my nails pop off like that. I don't ever want to come across that situation again. So please leave me some tips down below if you have any. Unfortunately, I have to say that this DIY was a little bit of a bust, but I am willing to try again. I never give up. Make sure you guys show this video some love for my effort. Make sure you share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.